Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be my video on the top 10 best Dreamboard themes of all time. Now, in this video, we'll be going from number 10 all the way up to number 1, and at number 10 will be a great Dreamboard theme, although it doesn't have everything that you would want in a Dreamboard theme, and at number 1 will be the best Dreamboard theme of all time, and the Dreamboard theme has everything that you would want in a Dreamboard theme. All the Dreamboard themes I list in this video will be found in the description down below, and all the Dreamboard themes are paid, and you can find them in the Cydia store. All of the Dreamboard themes I list in this video are only compatible with the iPhone 4 and the iPod Touch 4G's Retina display, and also its processing power, because this does take up a lot of RAM and processing power that you would find on the A4 processors of both devices. For the best Dreamboard themes, what you'll do is open up the Dreamboard app. At number 10 is a Dreamboard theme called Asymmetric HD. Once you open up Asymmetric HD, you will find that this Dreamboard theme is very unique. This Dreamboard theme isn't similar to any other Dreamboard themes simply because instead of using app icons or anything of that nature, what Asymmetric HD does is it just uses text and it just implements it in the easiest way, and it's very simple. Now also, to get to the next page, what you do is just simply scroll to the left, and then you will go to the next one, and it also does categorize some of the apps based on what it does. It's just implemented very simply. And also at the bottom you do have your weather, and it shows the temperature, and you also do have clouds in the background for the current weather as well. And when you scroll to the next page, you also do have more text, including YouTube, Maps, Photos, Dropbox, and more. And to scroll to the next one, what you'll do, just simply scroll upwards and you have more. And for example, if you want to tap on one, it will open up the application. If you want to open up one of the apps, for example iPod, it will just open the iPod app up. It just shows the iPod app. On the right of this theme, you do have a toggle for settings. So once you tap on the settings toggle, you'll see that you have lots of settings, and to change the wallpaper, what you'll do is simply tap on the screen and it will change the wallpaper to many different wallpapers, and to exit you just tap on the Dreamboard button that is found right there. So that is Asymmetric HD at number 10. The next Dreamboard theme in this video is N6 HD. N6 HD is a very simple Dreamboard theme, as you can see right there. The most interesting part about this theme is this rotating 3D cube that you can see right there, and it rotates any which way. Also, at the bottom of N6 HD, you do have the time right there, and it also does show the seconds. At the bottom of this theme, you do have a detailed clock, and also the month and the year, and you also do have the weather, and it shows the city, the temperature, and the state of the weather. At the bottom, you do have your phone, and you also do have a button for the 3D cube, and you also do have a button for the text messages. By tapping on this arrow, you'll be presented with your apps, media, social, games, and also your utilities. So it just basically categorizes all your apps that you have on your device. Simply by tapping this arrow, it will take you out of this Dreamboard theme, so you just simply tap on the Dreamboard app and it will exit the theme. Now also with N6H, you also do have many color mods for this theme. So for example, you have cranberry, green, pink, and purple, as well as blue on the main N6 HD theme. At number 8 is Cityscape HD. Now once you tap on Cityscape HD, you'll be presented with a very nice theme that has a city background in the back. You do have a weather widget at the top that shows the city and the state of weather. You also do have a clock in the middle, and you do have the date and the temperature as well. At the bottom, you do have some very nice icons that you find on this theme. You do have your SMS app, your mail, and your phone. You also do have an icon for Safari, music, Dreamboard, and also a settings toggle. So if you tap on the settings toggle, it will allow you to show animated weather, start editing mode, and also change the wallpaper of this theme. If you want to change the wallpaper, you do have many to choose from. So if you want to choose this one, for example, it will just show a different wallpaper, and it shows a city in that wallpaper that is similar to the first wallpaper on this theme. You also do have the option to show animated weather. And once you tap on show animated weather, it will show you clouds on this theme, and this looks very nice, and it just goes well with the theme along with the city feel of this theme. And once you tap on the Dreamboard icon right here, it will just take you out of the Cityscape HD theme. At number 7 is Gyro HD. Now once you tap on Gyro HD, you have some of the nicest icons for a Dreamboard theme. You have your settings icon right there, the time icon, the clock icon, the Safari icon. You do have the main weather widget, and also you do have the Facebook, the camera, and also a games icon. And you will also do have many more icons on this theme. If you slide to the next page, you do have more icons, and those are all the icons you get on this theme. So if you tap on the apps icon right here, it will show you some of your favorite apps. It will show the games icon right there, and also all of your Cydia apps that you have on your device. If you tap home, it will just take you back to the home page of Gyro HD. Now this is a very simple theme, but on Gyro HD, this theme emulates that simple is good, and this is definitely a well put together theme that is just very simple, yet it is very elegant on your device. So to exit, what you'll do is just simply tap on the App Store and go to Cydia, and you will find Dreamboard right there. At number 6 is Apple Core HD. Apple Core HD is a very nice theme overall. At the top, you do have the time and also the date. You have the home, tools, media, games, and apps at the top as well. So if you tap on tools, it will show settings. Also, if you tap on media, it will show YouTube, games, it will show all the games you have installed on your device. And for apps, it will show all the apps that you have on your device. In the middle of this theme, you have a very detailed weather widget for Apple Core HD. Also, you do have a iPhone 4 icon right here. So if you tap on it, it will take you straight into the phone keypad. And you also do have email, internet, social, and news, and also tweaks and mods from Cydia. Now at the bottom, you can easily scroll through your apps, and you can go to the next page. Overall, this is a very nice theme, and that is Apple Core HD at number 6. At number 5 of the top 10 best Dreamboard theme is Aero HD. Once you open Aero HD, you will be presented with one of the best emulations of the Windows 7 operating system. On the left of this theme, you are presented with Computer, Cydia App Store, and you also do have a clock right there, and you have a weather widget. Also, you do have the bottom buttons, which include the Start menu right here, which shows your live mail, Winterboard, Facebook, Twitter, live messages, iFile, and to the side of the Start menu, you do have your camera, pictures, music, control panel, clock, weather, and wallpaper. And you also do have a log off button. By tapping on this icon right here, you'll be presented with the phone app. You also do have the Internet Explorer icon, which is for Safari, and the last icon is for the iPod. And you also do have the time right on the bottom, which is very similar to the Windows operating system. If you tap on the side of the taskbar, you'll be presented with a collection of apps. So if you tap on these buttons, it'll go through a collection of apps. So for example, it won't open if you don't have the app, but if you do have the app, for example YouTube, it will actually open up the YouTube app. On the computer icon, you will find all your apps, Cydia favorites, games, media, music, social, tools, and personalize. So if you click on apps, you'll find all your apps that you have on your device, and to simply go back, you just will tap on the arrow. And you do have all your Cydia apps on your device, which is only Dreamboard. You also do have many more icons on your device. With the personalized icon, you can change the colors for this theme from default to any color of your choice. This theme has lots to offer, and it is at number 5 of the top 10 Dreamboard themes. At number 4 is Mac OS X Lion Beta. Now this shows a very nice Mac OS X Lion wallpaper in the background. You do have your Macintosh hard drive and also the phone. At the bottom for the Mac OS X Lion dock, you do have the Finder icon, Launchpad, iTunes, Mail, and also the SMS app, and you have the trash icon. Now this emulates Mac OS X very well, and it is implemented seamlessly. So if you tap on the Apple icon, you will be presented with About This Mac, Software Update, App Store, System Preferences, Wallpaper, Dock, Sleep, Restart, Shutdown, and Log Out. By tapping on About This Mac, it will give some of the details, which is very similar to Mac OS X. By tapping on the search icon on the right, you can decide to show the status bar. And once you tap on the Macintosh HD icon, it will show your applications, desktop documents, games, user utilities, and the devices, which is the Macintosh hard drive. So if you tap on applications, it will bring up all the applications on your device, and you can scroll through all the applications that you have on your device, and it is very simple to do so. And you can rearrange where you want to put the Finder window on your device. And you also do have the desktop, which shows your Macintosh hard drive and the iPhone icon for the phone app. And documents will bring up your games and utilities. Games will bring up the games that you have installed on your device. User will bring up the desktop documents, the library, movies, music, and pictures. And utilities will just bring up the utilities that you have on your device. And by simply tapping on the X button, it will X out of that current window. So overall, this emulates Mac OS X Lion to the fullest extent. It looks very similar to it, and you can make people think that you are actually running Mac OS X Lion on your iPhone 4 or your iPod Touch 4G. So that is Mac OS X Lion at number 4. At number 3 of the top 10 best Dreamboard themes is Dreamboard. At the top of Dreamboard, you will see that it looks very much like the Droid X, the Droid 3, or any Motorola Droid. The icons look very nice, and it looks very similar to what you would find on an Android phone. And you also do have the phone icon, and you do have an arrow and the contacts icon. And in the middle, you do have your photos, iPod, App Store, calendar, mail, Safari, settings, and the weather icon. And if you scroll to the next page, you do have your calculator, phone, stocks, clock, and Cydia. At the top, you will find a button for the voice search, and it looks very similar to what you would find on the Droid. For the wallpaper of this theme, it looks like you are using a Droid X with this background. If you tap on the arrow right here, you will find all the apps that you have installed on your device. Now overall, this is one of the best themes. This theme emulates so well, it seems like you are actually using the UI of the Droid X. At number 2 is Apple Web version 2. Now this is one of the nicest themes. This complements the white iPhone 4 since this theme would go very well with it. And it also does look very nice on the black iPhone 4 as well. And at the top, you do have your tools, media, games, and apps. Under that, you will see that you have the clock and the date. You do have the iPhone icon right there, messages, iPod, calendar, and camera. And you do have the Facebook icon, which you can easily change to iPhone 4, or you can change it to calendar, or to App Store, or even to Netflix if you so choose. On this theme, you also do have a settings icon to adjust your iPhone preferences, and you do have the current weather. You can easily customize all of these to any one that you would like, except for the weather one, which is found right there. And you can change it to iFile, for example, and you do have your mail, inbox, compose, and sent. And you do have Safari, Notes, and Cydia as well. At the bottom, it looks like the Apple Store where it says Help, Account, Sitemap, Security Policy, and Contact Us. Now that is a very nice touch for this theme. Now overall, this is one of the nicest themes to have. It has a lot of customization. It organizes all your apps on your device, and that is Apple Web version 2 Dreamboard theme. At number 1 of the top 10 best Dreamboard themes is Boxor HD. Now this theme looks very nice overall. It has some large icons, and also it does have a very nice weather widget at the top of the theme. You do have your games, apps, favorites, and you do have your mail, camera, Safari, Twitter, and you can scroll to the next page to get more icons. Another nice feature to this theme is that it does have a live RSS feeds, and you also do have photos, app source, and the WhatsApp. Now if you scroll to the next page, you do have more icons including iBooks, YouTube, Maps, Calculator, and Note in IM Messenger. At the top of the next page, you do have a live clock, and you also do have the downloads icon that you find right there. At the bottom, you do have your iPod app, the messages, the phone, and also a cube icon in the settings. If you tap on the settings icon, you do have settings, set weather, edit mode, wallpaper, and if you tap on the cube, it will just take you out of the Boxor HD theme. On this theme, you also do have a Facebook widget, which you can use Facebook for this Dreamboard theme. Now overall, this is Boxor HD, which is number 1 of the top 10 best Dreamboard themes. Thank you for watching the top 10 best Dreamboard themes for the iPhone 4 and the iPod Touch 4G. Please be sure to subscribe, please like this video, and also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics and at ReplyMe for any jailbreak related questions. Thanks for watching.